Shayzad's bringing the flavors. Today, I'm making a bacon cheese dog macaroni. It smells really good. I'm gonna show you how I like to make it.
Alright, first things first, you just want to dice one yellow onion. Now you want to slice 1 pound of beef kielbasa. This is optional, however I decided to slice up the sausages in half. To make things easier, you can just make a sausage tower and just start slicing down the middle. After that, you want to slice 1 pound of thick cut bacon. Make about 11 slices. Now to a large pot over a high heat, add about 10 cups of water. Season the water with 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon and 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon. When the broth comes to a boil, pour in 1 pound of dried macaroni. Be sure to stir as the macaroni is boiling, just to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Cook the macaroni till al dente. After boiling for 8 minutes, the macaroni is finished. Al dente is 8 minutes, by the way. This is very important. Make sure you save at least 2 cups of the broth. Drain the macaroni in a colander bowl and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. This will give the noodles great flavor. After you fully melt the butter in the macaroni, set a separate large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped bacon to the pot. Stir the bacon around just so they unstick from one another. This will take the bacon 15 minutes to cook. After 15 minutes, the bacon is finished. That looks so good. Look at that. Remove the bacon into a bowl and just set that to the side. Now to the same pot, just add in the sliced beef kielbasa and diced onions. Now you really just want to cook the beef kielbasa until it's brown on both sides, which will take you about 6 minutes to do. After 6 minutes of stirring and it's brown on both sides, the beef kielbasa is finished. Now just remove the sausages from the pot into the bowl with the bacon. Alright, now we're getting to the good part. Time to make the cheese sauce. Just melt 1 stick of butter into the same pot. When the butter is fully melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix the flour into the butter to create a roux. Now pour in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And 2 cups of the reserved broth. Now stir the 2 liquids around so that they become fully combined. Just so you know, if you do plan on making this at home, as you're stirring it, you start to smell it and it smells wonderful. Just so good. Now, you want to melt about 16 ounces of Velveeta cheese and 4 ounces of cream cheese. A better way to melt the cheeses would be to stir them around the pot. And to melt the Velveeta cheese quicker, just start cutting it up. When the Velveeta and cream cheese is fully melted, add in 1 can of tomato paste. Begin to stir the tomato paste into the cheese sauce, and as you're stirring it, you can see that it slowly starts to turn red. That looks so unique. That's just so cool. Now add in 1 can of diced tomatoes. Again, begin to stir that in. Add in 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, 1/4 cup of sweet relish, and just stir all 3 of those ingredients into the cheese sauce. This will give a sauce a more tangy, sweet flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. In other words, worst word in the world sauce. I don't even know if I said that word right. I hate that word. This will actually give the sauce more of a beef flavor. Now it's time for the seasonings. Season with 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, two teaspoons of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And just stir all the seasonings into this cheese sauce. And let me just tell you, this cheese sauce smells absolutely amazing. Like, my entire kitchen literally smells like the cheese sauce. Now to the cheese sauce, add 1 cup of shredded mild cheddar cheese and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And just stir the cheeses into the cheese sauce. There's so much stirring, I know, but hey, it's all worth it. I actually decided to add another cup of both cheddar and mozzarella cheese. You don't have to do this. However, I decided I want my cheese to be a little bit more gooey. When the cheese is fully mixed with the cheese sauce, just pour the bacon, sausage, and onions into the cheese sauce, and then begin to mix it in. Pour your macaroni into the cheese sauce. And now for the last time, just generously stir the macaroni into the cheese sauce. Now spray a 9x13 inch pan with cooking spray. Pour half of your macaroni and cheese into the pan. Spread some shredded mild cheddar cheese on top, along with some shredded mozzarella cheese. Pour the rest of the macaroni and cheese into the pan. And then spread a generous amount of shredded mild cheddar cheese. You can spread as much as you like. The more cheese, the better. And of course, some shredded mozzarella cheese. Again, spread as much as you like. Bake the macaroni and cheese in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes.
Look at this, y'all. Look at this. My kitchen literally smells like this pan of bacon cheese dog macaroni. It smells amazing. Oh my god, I cannot wait to dig into this. Just look at this cheesy, gooey goodness right here. Ooh. This would literally be a person with lactose intolerance worst nightmare. That looks so good. Ooh. I gotta add it to the bowl now. Oh, that looks so good. Get some more in there. That is beautiful. There you have it. Bacon cheese dog macaroni. Ah, smells so good. All right. I'll let you guys know what I think. Cheers. Okay, that's different. A little salty. Not too salty though. I can really taste the celery salt a lot. The sweet relish, it actually sets it off as well. That's actually really good. So basically by those ingredients that you saw, like mustard, ketchup, sweet relish, celery salt, onions, diced tomatoes. Those are like ingredients you put on a hot dog. So this is basically like my combination of like macaroni and cheese and a hot dog. Those are really good. It's definitely a very comforting meal. Like, This would go great during like the autumn time, definitely. Can I just say that fall is definitely like the best time to eat and cook food. It's just the nice, cool weather. It's just so comforting. Like it fits like the tone of just like a home cooked meal. You know what this needs? Sriracha. Definitely my favorite hot sauce. Do I think it's the best hot sauce? Yes, I do. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah, if you love hot sauce, put some hot sauce on this. The bacon is definitely really good in this too. I'm so hungry, guys. I was thinking about making this all day, well, all day. No, but seriously, this is really good, like really good. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. By the way, if you are new to my channel, just know that I do post more content on my Instagram and my TikTok. Other than that, I hope you have an amazing day. Peace. Cheers, for bars.